Hello, this video is about testing mu1 and mu2 of two populations when sigma is known. For example, we want to test whether mu1 equals mu2. We need to write the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis first, like this. And then we make the decision rule is to reject HO at 5% level of significance if this. And now let's do the data analysis. Data analysis, z-test. Here we need to notice that if we choose x1 and x2, we need to tick the labels. Since we want to test whether mu1 equal mu2, so the difference here is 0. And here is the sigma of two populations. We need to notice that we need to differentiate the population variance from the sample variance, because we would always know the sample variance as long as we have sample, but it's not true for population variance. Now we choose the outrange. In the exam, we need to adjust it to 4 decimal places. Here is the z-statistic. This is the p-value of 2. Because we want to know the mu1 minus mu2 equal or not equal 0, so it's a two-tailed test. Here's the critical value. We compare this with this. From that, it less than the critical value, and here we compare it with the alpha. Alpha is 5% because it's at 5% level of significance. So from here we can get the conclusion that HO is not rejected.